What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna be working on this Craftsman YS 4500 20 horsepower Colder Pro Courage. It's been sitting for a while. I don't have my tripod with me, but I took these little 8mm bolts out. It's been sitting for a while. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't know if any mice have possibly got under here and made a nest. I doubt it, but I'm checking anyway because a lot of people have lawnmowers sitting out somewhere in a shed, little rodents or whatever get in here and make homes. They like chew on the wires, and this looks okay to me. Starter looks okay, and yeah, it's a little dirty, a little old, but anyway, to my surprise, that wire hasn't melted. Sorry. I'm gonna take that gas out, charge the battery up, air it up, go through it, check the blades, the deck. I like this lawnmower. I remember my grandma bought it brand new. 2003 or 4. There's a date over there I could check, but oh boy. So your little Craftsman sticker. I'm looking for a date. It's got for your bagger parts, your mulch kit numbers, snow thrower, wow. Wheel weights, tire chains, what kind of air filter. I think this one was made in fourth month, 9th day of 04. But I could be wrong. But excuse me. Seen the better days. But anyway, it's a great little machine. I wish I had my tripod with me. But anyway, I'm going to get it, start working on it, getting it going. Talk to y'all later. I'll make more videos of this as we progress. Have a good day.